Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Appreciate you all tuning into the stream. 1 second here. I gotta pretty much set everything up before we get started with the end of the day. So yeah, if you're just pulling up, welcome. So yeah, we're gonna do like a little quick end of day little short stream for today. Alright, 1 second here. I gotta make sure that we're on before we actually get started. Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Appreciate you all tuning in. There we go. That should be better. Hold on, I'm not sure where my... I mean, it doesn't really matter, but... Hold on. Yeah, I don't know where it went. It's all good. We'll be alright. It's fine, that's fine. As long as you guys can see the charts, we'll be good. And hopefully, hold on, sorry. I know that's a little bit too loud, so. Yo, Javon, what's up, brother? Dude, yeah, we got a long weekend this weekend, right? So, hold on 1 second here. So what? Tuesday we'll be pretty much back here. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna send out some alerts because we're gonna do a little short stream. Want to go over the swings and then what I see for next week. So I'm gonna send out like 2 or 3 messages right now. All right, cool. All right, cool. Nice. I feel like the stream is a little bit weird, but on the tube it's a lot better. All right, so now let's go over today what I seen and also what I will be watching for this week. All right, so Netflix. Obviously, I do like this, which looks pretty good. We got empty space above this, 89.74. So, nice little pocket here above us if we can get a nice break above. As of right now, we are in this box, so we're going to have to leave this one alone, all right? All right, so that's there. We'll go over the cues. SPY, Tesla, all these other good trades that I'll be watching too. So above that 721, there's nothing stopping us, as you can see. So there is, we're gonna get rid of this. So we kind of rejected that little level that we have there. For next week, there's a nice pocket here, and then hopefully we build a lot better, a lot better structure, I would say. Because I'm not gonna lie, won't be trading in that. This, though, this is something that I wouldn't mind trading with. So, nice pocket here and also here. As for the upside, doesn't look like anything really stopping us if we can get above that 721 range. Netflix, will you wait to go past the wicks or just the box? Netflix, let me see. So Netflix, this is I actually wanted to swing this one yesterday, and we were like really close, as you could see from this candle yesterday. and we were almost above our wall. And last 5 minutes, last 10 minutes, I think a little bit before that, we dipped back into our box. And we had like a nice little dip. So it wasn't valid for me. I'm probably just going to wait for a nice candle close above. I could care less about these wicks. But yeah, we got empty space, which is there. But as of this second, it just does not look like it's ready yet. All right, let's see here. So yeah, there's going to be a nice little quick stream. We got a couple. I do want to go over a couple more of that, so we haven't went over yet. All right, so let's go over Tesla and then IWM. We're going to do an outlook for tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but for the week. Candle close. Yeah, so if it's a swing trade, if I'm planning on swinging something, obviously, you know, I could have an entry during the day, like a starter or whatever. But for me, I'll be honest, I like to wait the last like 5 to 10 minutes for something clean. That's just me though. There's times where, you know, if the trade looks really good and we're moving and I could see it going intraday, then yeah, I'll try like some starters, but that's just what I do. Oh my gosh. Sorry for all of these spams here. I'm not gonna lie, Tesla looks pretty crazy. I don't know if I would wanna swing Tesla to this upside. But we do got this beautiful pocket here. Clean little gap down, no consolidation. Today on Tesla. So I tried it the first time. Got a little bit out of it, got stopped out, and then we had another retry. Once we got above that 428 level, we kind of just sat there and did nothing. But yeah, the upside doesn't look too bad. So that is on Tesla, that 4 hour chart. All right, all right. Yo, Glocky, what's up, brother? All right, I'm sorry. I know that's like loud. I'm sorry. I know that's like loud. All right, what do we got next? So we did Tesla. Tesla looks fire. We got to do POTR. So this one is definitely on my list. And I've been waiting on this one for a while, too. All right. POTR. Yeah. Yo, Dwayne, what's up, brother? Yo, Dwayne, I will be. I'll DM you after this live stream. Seeing your messages, I didn't get a chance to get to them yet. All right, yeah, this looks good. Not IWM. PLTR, clear gap down, no consolidation. I would love to see above this 138. And I've been waiting for this move for a while. I know you guys probably been watching my stream every day and like, yo, he's saying the same thing. Yeah, this looks fire. PLTR, I got above that 138.83. Right now, you can see we're in a little bit of consolidation. So I don't really want to be stuck in that. So, looks good. Gonna have to wait on that. Yo, Stinky, what's up, brother? Good to see you all today. So yeah, my streams are working again. So next week we will be back to the regular streams and we'll be trading on live again next week as well. All right, POTR. Now let's take a look. I don't think we went over IWM either. IWM, let's see. All right, hold on, give me a second here. Let's move this. All right, so yeah, as for IWM, there was a nice little push outside of our level. Obviously, we kind of just sat here. So at that 284, we sat here, had a good little push, and then Obviously, yeah, it did hit that imbalance, like out of nowhere. Now, let me take a look. Yo, Apollo, what's up, bro? I got you, man. We can do that right after this one. For next week on IWM. Hold on, let me take a look at this weekly time frame, actually. So if we scroll all the way back, soon enough, there's nothing or at least now on that weekly time frame. Nothing here. Nothing stopping us here. He said, Haley, take Monday off. Dude, oh yeah, man. I feel like we did really good this week. Yeah, I'll definitely be off on Monday, you know. Pretty much feel like everyone will. But no, I'm gonna enjoy myself for sure. Actually, I don't know that. I think Monday I have to, cause I'm working on like a part 2 course with it's actually with lawnmower this time. I've been working with that. I haven't finished it. It's taken forever, but I like to put my all into things, so it's gonna be pretty fire. It's with all the floors. It's with everything. So it's gonna be really complete. V, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. Dude, yeah, we had a great week. So IWM, we kind of smacked it around the whole time. Honestly, I could have swung IWM, you know, the whole weekend, you know, just ate on that, but we kind of traded it every day. And you'll see, like, hold on, let me see, where's the start of, so hold on, what day is that? So that's Tuesday. Hold on, where are we at? There we go. Here we go. So IWM, it's had some decent moves. Obviously, you can see a little bit of the downside. What we did there, what a few members did. IWM, and then see a couple members there, but we ended up, and you could see my same charts every single day. So we wanted this full move. We wanted this move here. We got that one day. Next day, we wanted this same move. Obviously, we just made a new box, and then we did end up getting a nice touch to the upside. See what type of percentages we try to go for there. IWM. So yeah, it was a wild week. Looks like we did end up creating a lot of empty space under us here too. So the same thing, the same way we went back up with it. Like to write it back down. Pause. Looks like 3 touches at 287.54. So that's what I'm looking at. So if we get above this little level, that's what I'm kind of seeing. Like, there's literally nothing stopping us to this upside. So if we end up with a nice push, that's what I see, which looks good. Obviously, downside, we have some crazy empty space. So literally the same thing. Just gonna have to be patient and let the trades come to me. All right, NVDA, yo, Paula, hopefully you're watching, brother. And then after this, I'm gonna leak some swings. So hold on. All right, let me see here. How do we navigate all-time highs? Pretty much, I feel like it's been like the Qs. Like once we had like a high or whatever, we just broke above our level and then we retest and then we go a little bit higher. That's how I play them. I don't know about anyone else, but I literally just use the box for it, which I know it sounds crazy. Nvidia has some crazy empty space here. I'll be honest, I do like more downside. The only thing that I'm afraid of is that we actually don't have that POTTERBOX yet. So No area of consolidation just yet, so I would wait for a consolidation before I try that downside there. As for something small, this is what I can see here, so I can definitely go down to a 1 hour chart here. And actually, this is the move that I wanted earlier. Oh, sorry. So I missed that initial first drop this morning. But there's still empty space under this 215 down to that, what? 213, and then I'll probably leave a runner because we have a beautiful pocket, which is down here. So it looks good. Looks really good. So that's what I see there. And then upside, obviously, we got a beautiful pocket here. So this is definitely a bounce spot if we don't get under it. There's a bigger move that I'm waiting for too. So, oh brother, just wait. All right. So the 4 hour actually looked a lot better. But as you can see, what we try to aim for is this empty space here. So basically clean gap down, no consolidation. And that's exactly what I would like there. And a lot of these moves, they look extremely alike. And I love setups that, you know, look exactly the same. So that is on video. Obviously, I'm favoring that downside there. All right, let me see here. We're going to pull up Meta. We're going to pull up SFCI. We're going to pull up, let me see here. What else we got? I was looking at NOK this morning. And then, hold on, let me see. NOK. Was it? POTR, we did that. MSFT, we'll go over this one too as well. All right. That looks crazy. Yeah, that looks fire. Ooh, SMCI. Hold on. All right, my bad. I'm looking at all these other. But anyways, yeah, there is a nice pocket which is above us here, which looks honestly pretty good. I wouldn't mind. So kind of would want to see if we can get above this 35.43, but that looks fire, I will say. So I mean, empty spaces there. I wouldn't mind it. Probably can't even. Sorry, you can't even see my chart. So that was on SMCI here. But yeah, this is what I had. Or this is what I have here. I like that end of day. Obviously, yes, there's a little bit of turbulence on that 24-hour that we would have to get above. But other than that, it looks real good. So weekly chart. All right, yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, now we gotta go over. I'm gonna go over like 2 more, and then we're gonna hop off the stream, and then I'm gonna be inside the Discord. Let me see here. Yo, hello, my wife. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it. So, NOK, I don't think we're. I haven't actually. I don't know what these contracts look like, but we do have a nice pocket above us here of empty space, which looks good. So if we get above that, what, 1597? So we're like right there. Got a huge pocket up to that 1986, and then that 2361, which looks fire. So we'll see how that plays out, which looks good. So SMCI, we did that. NOK. And then, yeah, we're going to go over Microsoft now. MSFT. So yeah, I don't think this one is ready yet. As for me, we do got a lot of empty space above us here, so clean little gap down, no consolidation. I still like it. I'm not going to change my mind about it. I want to see a 24-hour close above that 428 for that upside, and hopefully a lot more. So looks good. But other than that, guys and gals, appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. I will be getting off now, so yes, I will be inside the Discord as work on those end of day swings. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. We got a long weekend this week, right? So I'll see you guys either Monday or Sunday or Tuesday morning for market prep. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a blessed one. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Let's go.